ucoach Hugo Bros the way approach le game ngakhona beyi right uma ngabe besikhonile ukuya ku half time kuyi 0-0 ngicabanga ukuthi beyoba bafana idlale kahle kakhulu so that season no plan B second half but ngicabanga ukuthi coach imshayile man especially uma ungabheka nokuthi agcina abadlali ayenza ama substitute wakhe late lama red card engiwabonayo ngicabanga ukuthi ucoach Hugo Bros onikisela abadlali ama red card bebanga deserve ukuthola ama red card because if sikwazile ukudlala it's 1-0 down siya ku second half then uyabona lento oplane ngayo i-first half ukuthi ayisebenzi yenza ama changes mina bengicanga ukuthi uzomdonsa uyaya kuleya midfield because uyaya wenza ama mistake amaningi because no Ronza uyaphindwa wenza mistake la khona uloku busy ufuna ukunikeza umdlalo ofana noyaya but uyambona ukuthi akekho mnandi ku build up so bekumele amdonsile umdlalo ofana noyaya so that sikwazi ukuthi second half sibuye mhlawumbe ngabadlali approach le game ngama wing la khona uObre singeke sidemande mo nokhuliso ukuthi bahambe bayikhuphuka because siyabona ukuthi lento ayisebenzele letha abadlali abane creativity because azange sibe ne creativity first half letha abadlali abane creativity you have uMuremi you have Apollos sinabo abadlali abafana naborile banayo creativity besinganayo number 10 njengoba vele igame plan yami nami bengicabanga ukuthi bengasenza singabi nayo number 10 because sazi ukuthi kumele si really opponent sikwazi ukudefenda because bangama host labantu badlala ekhaya lento ngiye ngayikhuluma la elinye la ngathi World Cup so defender nga 8 players bacabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala urespected too much coach Hugo Bros lama team ase Orkanti nabadlali abadlala Orkanti ngicabanga ukuthi uyaba respect abanikeza leyo respect kakhulu kunabanye abadlali ngicabanga ukuthi kumele ubanikeze chance uFoster noSithole ngicabanga ukuthi so banikezile chance it's enough man kulesikhathi samanje bekumele abanikeze chance because as a coach kumele uprotect abadlali akukho right ukuthi abadlali ba attack kwabalandeli because of wena lokhu uyamgcina enkundleni ubona ukuthi akakunikezi lento kumele ukuthi akunikeze yona so ngicabanga ukuthi lento bekumele ayenze second half you can do it first 5 minutes umnikeze lo emdlalo because ufuna ukumdonsa ngisho letha abadlali sicabanga ukuthi bazosinikeza something phesi ngicabanga ukuthi if besidlale ngama winger second half so kwathi sikwazi ukuthi strophe lamajita angakhuphuki then mhlambe ngabe sithole something because khona la ngicabanga ukuthi aboMaseko Mremi Apollos bebangasinikeza something so mina ngicabanga ukuthi coach imshayile because ubone nangendlela mhlambe besekaletha abadlali ngakhona uconfuse a lot of players kunabadlali ngicabanga ukuthi badlale out of position because the system axi system abayijwayele.
Go